has been filed with the Enforcement Directorate against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, accusing him of tampering with evidence in a land-related case involving 14 sites. The complaint was lodged by Pradeep Kumar, one of the original complainants in the MUDA Mysore Urban Development Authority case. The complaint also implicates Yatindra Siddaramaiah, son of the Chief Minister, as a partner in the alleged illegal dealings. Pradeep Kumar has claimed that the evidence was destroyed by reclaiming the land with the assistance of MUDA officials. He has urged the ED to conduct a thorough investigation and register a case for tampering with evidence.